Big up everybody we're checking. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now some people have said them I wonder how the Prime Minister and the entire administration now resign already. Now if you believe that the people no longer have any trust in the government, the Prime Minister, anybody in the administration, comment no trust. Now KSAMC says Estate Bridge Holdings did indeed breach building permits. Now keep in mind the Prime Minister did say no breaches were made by Estate Bridge, and him say the KSAMC will prove that. Now you know what happened? In recent weeks, probably months, the KSAMC is no longer led by the Labour Party. The opposition is now leading the KSAMC. And them did say, them are going to look into what the Prime Minister said. If you say it's true, now the official statement is, the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, the KSAMC, has alleged that Estate Bridge Holdings Limited was indeed in breach of an approved building permit issued for the construction on Waycliffe Drive in St. Andrew. An entity in which, this is the way the tabloids say, the Prime Minister previously had shares, had a stake in. This is the company, Estate Bridge. They must say previously. Right now, even the people within government don't really know about how much companies and which companies the Prime Minister is linked to at this point in time. Because I saw them say the Prime Minister linked to the company, I saw him say no, and prove say he's either no longer linked to the company, I never did a link with the company. We don't know. Now, in its report tabled in Parliament in past week, the Integrity Commission stated that the company is in some way linked to the Prime Minister. Them believes no matter what the Prime Minister say, in some way, shape, or form, that company linked to the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister said otherwise. But in that same report, the Commission said that at the time of its investigation, Estate Bridge Holdings was not owned by the Prime Minister. Neither did he have shares in the company, nor was he a director in the company. So they must say, they need to find out that. Now, the KSAMC statement on the matter follows a report from the Commission alleging that breaches of the building permit had taken place. The directors of the company have strongly rejected the Commission's conclusions. This is after this government entity that is funded by the government do them investigation. They may say nothing go so. I will never show the director for the company and other people involved in the company are one, family to the Prime Minister and friends of the Prime Minister. We don't know how really are going. Now the municipality says, following the Integrity Commission's report, the Mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swaby, requested a detailed report from the Chief Engineering Officer. Him decide say him want to know exactly what going and how it happened. Now according to the KSAMC, the report from the Chief Engineering Officer outlined breaches of the building permit issued to Estate Bridge. Them violate the permit, broke the law, and did know. And when it was brought to the attention of the people, them say a lie, not no go so. This is all fictional. They must let me know what the Integrity Commission continues to get these conclusions from. When the time the Prime Minister saying believes that the Integrity Commission is aligned now with the opposition and a try to make him character look some type of way in the eyes of the Jamaican people, so the Jamaican people don't vote for him again. Now the alleged breaches reportedly identified during an inspection conducted on October 31st this year. This was allegedly after a request from the applicant on October the 28th. This would mean that the KSAMC's Chief Engineering Officer only identified the breaches after the Integrity Commission site visit on July 12th and the 13th of this year. Now, according to the KSAMCs, the breaches observed at the property included slight increases in the floor area of the basement, with the large area being reconfigured to accommodate bathroom and storage. The KSAMC also found that the dining room on the ground floor was extended, a bathroom constructed, and a powder room converted to storage. Despite these adjustments, the floor area of the ground floor was found to be largely unchanged. Alterations were also noted on the first floor of the property. The KSAMC says the master bedroom was increased by utilizing the balcony space. The municipality says the associated bathroom was relocated and the space converted to a foyer with storage area. The floor area was found to be unchanged. The municipality says partition walls referenced in the Integrity Commission's report and which were shown in photographs in the final report were not present during its visit on October the 31st. The KSAMC says this suggests modifications had been made to the structure before its visit. They must say the picture them where the Integrity Commission did have, we approve so them thing that take place. You see, before the KSAMC chief engineer visit the place, them change up the whole place of what is cover up. A cover up the KSAMC, I said them fine. Now it says its chief engineering officers report therefore could not refute the claim by the Integrity Commission that the 4-bedroom units were being constructed at an earlier stage. According to the KSAMC, the breaches identified in October were brought to the attention of the property's architect, Kenada Nesbet, in a letter dated November 13 of this year. The letter reportedly provided 2 options to the architect: revert to the previously approved plan or regularize the changes through an as-built application. So I guess there's something you can do. The KSAMC says Estate Bridge submitted an application to regularize the changes in a letter dated December 10th. In a letter dated December 10th, them decide to do what was suggested. This was the same day the Integrity Commission report into the alleged breaches was tabled in Parliament. The same day when the whole thing was brought to the attention of the people, at the same day them decide to go do all of this. Tell me what I think. Tell me what I think. I don't know how. Them never know say this would have been brought to the attention of the people. How they never know say at this point in time the new mayor for the KSAMC would have sent people to look into everything and find out everything if there's even any proof there. Talk to me in the comment section. And with the Prime Minister's friend also being found guilty, tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, as a pastor, click the subscribe icon and the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel. Not until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love and prosper, and for stay tuned.